you're finding it hard to keep long-term clients, this video is for you. Do clients ghost you after 1 to 3 months without giving you a valid reason? Don't worry, I've been there, and I'll give you 2 valid reasons why that keeps happening. So you're wondering, is it you, your client, or is it something totally different? In this video, I'll give you a 3-phased approach to wowing your clients instead of having them to tell their friends not to work with you. Hi, my name is Alvern, and on this channel, I'll give you amazing resources that you can use to generate your first $100,000 online from anywhere in the world while living life on your own terms. So let's spend some time looking at that 3-phased approach that you can use to successfully go from discovery call to signed contract to client onboarding without you having to stay awake until 3 a.m. to orchestrate the entire process manually from scratch. Okay, so phase 1 of this approach is to have the right tools in place so clients can easily book a discovery call with you, whether you decide to use Calendly on Zoom, Dubsado with Zoom, or even one of the other tools that you like to use. It could be Honeybook, it could be whatever it is, and you can make sure that that link, booking link, is available on your email signature, on your website, on social media, or even in the PDF version of your resume, or your one page that you send out to your clients. So, and making it dead easy for your clients to actually book that discovery call with you. Phase 2 of this approach is either during or after the discovery call with your client, when they decide that they want to go ahead with you, or if they just want a proposal, you're going to have to make that whole process even easy. You need to have to make sure you have the proposal, the contract, and the invoice all ready to go in one seamless sort of process or order, making it dead easy for your clients to actually, get started with you. You can use tools like Dubsado, Honeybook, Moxie. You decide what it is you like to use, but make sure it is, again, dead easy for the client to use and to get that information and to get started with you. As you are interested in this whole client onboarding process, you're probably wondering, what is the easiest and fastest way to land more clients, or your first client, or whatever situation you are in at the moment? I'll be discussing more about that after I discuss the phase 3 of this entire process, where you make sure you keep clients for much longer. Oh, and by the way, I haven't forgotten about the 2 reasons why clients ghost you. I'll discuss that in a second. Phase 3 of this whole process is the part that most newbie virtual assistants miss. What happens after clients pay you? Well, it depends on the service that you offer. You can use tools like Dubsado, Honeybook, Moxie. There's a whole array on the marketplace. But the whole idea behind it, or even something like ClickUp, the whole idea behind it is that you have this, what we call a seamless onboarding process for the clients. Get the details from them, they exchange their details, logins with you, make it as seamless and integrated as possible, and use the tools that you have available on hand. The whole idea behind what happens after the client pays you is that you want it to lead to what I call delighting your client, making sure that they don't have buyer's remorse and they are continue to be delighted to be working with you. Now, just before I give you the 2 reasons why clients tend to ghost you, you're probably still wondering about how you can go about landing your clients. I do have a resource available that you can use to do all of the things, whether it be set up your business, naming your business, landing clients, how much to charge, all of the questions. This resource is available in the description. It's called the Virtual Assistant 3K a month Virtual Assistant Planner, and you can get access to that in the description below. Now, let's look at the 2 reasons why clients tend to ghost you. So the 2 reasons why clients would tend to ghost you includes the following. Number 1, you're not making it very easy for them to work with you. Your whole process of working with you is very clunky. They just feel that burden on their shoulders, they feel stressed, etc. So try and find out, based on the clients obviously that you're working with, what is the best way you can deliver the services that you offer to them. Make it seamlessly easy to share passwords, to check in with you, for them to know what you're working on today, where you are in a particular project, all of the things. The second reason why clients tend to ghost you is because they feel that the services that you're offering isn't valuable enough. Like, I don't know, what it is you're working on, what kind of services you're offering, but you have to make sure that, you wow them. The value that you give for the price that they're paying must be so good that they want to keep you on forever, so to speak. Or maybe not. Until next time, I'll see you in the VA world. Bye.